In this quick video, I'll show you how to change administrator name on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So basically I have two accounts present in my PC. You can see I have two users. So I want to change the name of this user. So for that, firstly we need to search here control panel. Then open your control panel. Now click on user accounts. Then go to change account type. After that you will see users present in your PC. In my case I have two users. If you have one user, then we can simply change the name of that user. I want to change the name of this user, so for that I will click on it, and after that you will see here multiple options are present here. So I want to change its name, so for that we will go to the change the account name. After that we can type the name which we want to type here. I will simply type here example and then click on change name, and now you can see the admin name has been changed. Now you can see admin name has been successfully changed. You can also see it here, admin has been changed to example. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.